Red nigga, you know the freestyle. Here we go. It's freestyle. Come on. Okay, nigga, I'm a hustler. Nigga, I'm a hustler. Keep a white bitch and another white customer. You niggas talking, I'm in the crib with a white spouse. I got enough white crack to build a rock house. Shit. Boy, your nigga spitting hot by ya. You talk shit, but the nigga getting higher. I'm on the loud pack, and you not a loud at. I'm high as fuck, where the fuck a loud's at. I don't even know where I'm at. I'm still spitting on the beat. I'm shitting, killing niggas with it ain't nothing, nigga. Nigga, listen when I speak, it's all truth. When you talk, nigga, it's all roof, nigga. And I'm a gun, nigga, it's all proof, nigga. Yeah, I'm 100, nigga, I'm all skill, nigga. Bitch, I'm a real nigga, stayed up in the weight room, moving crack about the packs, nigga, I'm a weight room. Nah, but I ain't never touched a crack. But I will hit your motherfucking girl from the back and ask her where it's at till I give my ass a stack. You ain't getting money, make the whole walk home naked. Getting the one on the track, nigga, I'm flexing, nigga. Who is next, nigga? I demolish you. I send you back home the way you come and polish you. Make you polish my shoes like you a polished dude. Nigga, you ain't nothing from a up north, nigga. But I'm a down south, nigga. Now Duval moving, work up in the U-Haul. The shit, the U-Wall, the chopper get the spitting, have you looking like a U-Ball. Man, you niggas ugly compared to me like Chris Tucker. I'm in the ball up in York, cooping at the rucker. A nigga still spitting, I ain't gotta think about your ass like an apple. iPhone still caking, nigga. Money making, nigga. What's shaking, nigga? Oh, you making, nigga? You pump faking, nigga. Cause I ain't never seen no money coming from your digits. You niggas talking shit, you niggas flying like a pigeon. I got the working, they can fly around like a pigeon. I'm a G47, I'm up in the stars. You know the stars, nigga. Check my fucking constellation. Your preparation from me, niggas like a demonstration. A nigga stay spitting, but I'm so high. You said you smoke what? Well, that sounds like a lot. Y'all ain't never read, that's why you're dead, boy. You know I'm a talk nigga, and I'm a red boy. And I'm a spitting this a crazy ass freestyle. I get up on the track and then the pussy out restyle. Okay, I knock the pussy out like 1, 2, 3. That's the red nigga asking about me. A nigga, I'm moving on the track. I get up in the pussy, she a fool when act. I leave a leg shaking like a fucking earthquake. She fucking once and then they asked me what that did. Good, that bitch wanted 2 times. I said, nah, my name ain't 2 Chainz, but you can give me brain 2 times. That's 2 brains, these niggas too lame. I stay snapping on the bitch, I'm in the coupe game. I'm in the Bugatti, switching in the fast lane. You think you're fast, man? I'm faster, man. Freestyle, nigga.